got plastics, we should go to a vinyl shop to check.
Oh yeah, we
check
can.
out that wrap.
So, got some new wheels. Not gonna say for which car, but here they are. Cinematic, cinematic, cinematic. I think they look pretty damn good.
Those are wide.
Yeah, so these are $295s right here. So
oh, shit.
yeah, so should be fun fitting these on. I'm gonna test fit them on this. So we'll see how that goes.
You said I'm not gonna say for what car.
Also, it came with
we're just gonna test fit it on this one.
a set of lips. Yeah, I'm gonna test fit it on here. But who knows? They might be going on the X5, but
oh shit. Damn, for real.
They could. Hey. So we're gonna put the 3-piece Art of Motion wheels on here to test fit. See if they'll fit on the 335. I'm saying they won't fit. What do you think?
They're not gonna fit. They're gonna go on the X5 if they don't fit.
So if they don't fit, we'll put them on the X5 and run them like that. So, as expected, the front or rear, they both don't fit. So, so the front, the tire is hitting the strut. The rear, the tire is hitting one of the control arms, I believe. And so, we're gonna lower it just to see what it looks like, but it won't move like this. It's just gonna stay still.
Damn, that's
Yeah.
bad.
But even with that, the fitment is damn near. This wheel is kind of messed up because it's not all the way flush. The rear is all the way flush. The front's not, because it's still. This can't even be bolted all the way in. But yeah, the fitment is perfect. That looks so. That looks so aggressive. Damn. Yeah, send it 5 feet forward and have everything collapse.
Oh, the rear's fine now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn. Bro, that fitment's like perfect. Like, look at that.
Yeah, the rear's fine.
So drift setup incoming. Drifting on the nicer wheels instead of the stock. It's like an opposite drift. The front's definitely not fine though. You can tell by how it's sitting right now.
Well, that can go up. Oh, never mind.
But mine are aftermarket though, so I don't know. It might be a little thinner, you know?
A little bit different.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I thought it would be the opposite. I thought the rears would be not working, but the fronts. Bro, I don't know how it's gonna work lowering it, because it's gonna be rubbing like a mother. Huh.
I don't know. Just send it. Just get stretched tires and send it.
Send it right to Copart.
That's why Nord didn't want to sell me his wheels.
Because they're expensive.
Yeah. DeWalt, bro. What did the DeWalt ever do to you?
It can take a beating. It's an XR. So the front rubs a little bit, even with a tiny 5mm spacer. The rear is pretty good. This will just need to be pulled and rolled, and that should be good. I'm gonna go down to like a 275 because these are
295.
Yeah, these are 295s on right now. Front has a 265 in that rub, so probably will go down on that to probably a 245, maybe a 255, because this already does have a little stretch. So we'll see how it fits on my car.
This is a 255.
This is 255.
Yeah, so you would have to go to
245 then. Yeah, 245 30. I would like to have a 35 just for the safety of it, but 30
Well,
looks a lot better.
right
Yeah,
now.
that's a 30.
Yeah.
But they look really good. Like
They're 20s, but they don't look.
they don't
bad.
look. I mean, on video they kind of look like 20s, but
In person
they look like
they just
19s.
look way better. They look like it fit.
It looks perfect.
Looks like they should have came like this from factory.
They should have. Look at that side, and then the factory side.
Looks like. We're good. My tire's still on? I think we're good.
Is it? Shit. Here, roll. I'll put my hand there.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So we got the wheels put back, stacked up for now until my 335i is done. In the meantime, in a couple days, we're gonna be sanding this, doing a full re-clear. And then what's in this box is something that we'll be installing too, along with, can't see them, but there's louvers back there. Also something else to install in this box. So stay tuned. We have a lot of stuff to work on, a lot of projects to finish. What do you think about all this?
That trunk by itself is gonna be a project.
Yeah.
That's like the world's crappiest carbon fiber trunk.
Yeah, this is carbon fiber. So
Or it
You
used
look-
to be carbon fiber.
you look right here. Let me get the light on. So you can see that there is carbon fiber underneath that. Right here, you can kind of see it. It'll be brought back to life though. We'll see. We have this, you can't see back here, but I have a paint gun compressor. So we may use this. If not, we're gonna get some really good clear for this just to make sure it lasts this time. But yeah, I have no cars to work on right now, so we'll come back once I get 1 or 2 of my cars back and then start installing, doing more videos from there.